Right. Are you ready? Let's cook. Yeah. Now we stir fry the onion. Add some salt on it, of course, and lemongrass and kaffir lime leaf. Yeah, all of those yummy that make it smell so good. And now next is the Tomyam paste. Add it on. Yeah, I like mine so much. Yeah, the more you add, the more water you can add. So if you add less, you add less water. So yeah, see how it's boiling? Dump everything in, the mushroom in. Yeah, stir for a little bit, and then next, the chicken slices. Yeah, all of it. Oh wow, sweet. Yeah, more. Put them all in and stir. Yeah, I like mine frozen. No time to wait for it to, and add more squid. Yeah. Well, no time to make it all, prawns. Yeah. Prawns is the best, man. Woo. And vegetables, chop them up and pour them all in. All in. Everything in. There you go. The best tom yum ever. Woo! Can eat for a few days. Enjoy it.